Okay, so we got cut off a little bit at the end there. I just want to reiterate where we were. So the probability of A or Rh positive would be the probability of A, which we found up here to be 0.3899, plus the probability of positive, which is 0.7979, minus the probability of both A and positive, which according to the table is 0.3207. So then you add up the first two and subtract away the overlap, and you have it, at least by the general addition rule. Now I realize for this particular example there are other ways you could find it. You could just add up the A's and the positives, but make sure not to double count the 0.3207 and you'll have it. But we're just learning a method and a formula here that will work for lots of problems. All right, now let's move on to the next example. Now I realize that the notes you have don't actually have numbers in this, so bear with me, I just made up some numbers from a class of mine. So here you go. Write them down. All right, now remember from section 4.4, this is called a contingency table. This is going to be for the number of Harry Potter movies that people have seen. And we're going to construct, for starters, the marginal frequency. So the marginal frequency is when you sum up all the rows and all the columns. So for example, this column sums to 1, 6, 9, 14. And this sums up to 18, and this sums up to 12, which means we have a grand total of 30 students in the class. Now, what's the row variable? The row variable is the variable from your rows, so that would be gender. The column variable is number of Harry Potter movies seen. And just for fun, I want to remind you guys that this is a qualitative variable. It's also nominal. Nominal is its level of measurement, qualitative is the type of variable it is. And the number of Harry Potter movies seen is quantitative, discrete. And it's also ratio, right? Because there is a zero and it is an inherent zero to the problem. You can't get less than 0 movies seen. All right, the cell for 8 and female is right here in the bottom corner, and that is 10 for us. All right, selecting one person at random from our class, what is the probability that that person is? Let's start with female. So there's 18 females out of 30 total. So the probability of female is equal to 18 out of 30. And again, you can find the decimal approximation for it with Excel or a calculator. What's the probability that the person has seen all 8 movies? Oops. That would be, oops, I just moved it. I think it's 14. Yep. 14 out of 30. All right. Is female and has seen all 8 movies. All right. So female and has seen all 8 movies. Okay, now this is going to be a little strange because the and here you have to remember is the overlap. Let me highlight this for a second. Here's all the females. I'm going to make them, oh, let's be sexist and make them pink, shall we? There they are. And then here's all the movies, right? All 8 movies. There it is. And I don't know, I'll make it blue. Okay. Now, where is it that this row and this column overlap? It's right here at the 10. Right? Those 10 people, those 10 women have seen all 8 movies and are female. Right? So there's 10 that are female and have seen all 8 movies. So it's 10 out of 30. Now, is female or, see the magic word, or has seen all 8 movies? Well, that's a different story. See? Hold on. I'm running out of space on this page. There we go. Okay. So, or, that's going to be needing the general addition rule, just for starters. When you go back and look at it, female and have seen all 8 movies is not disjoint. So you're going to have to add up the probability of female plus the probability of seen all 8 minus the probability of female and all 8. Oops. Which is all the numbers we found. It's 18 out of 30. Hold on one second. There we go. Right? It's 18 out of 30 female plus 14 out of 30 seen all 3, or seen all 8 minus 10 out of 30, the overlap, which gives you 22 out of 30. That's your answer.